Hello, my dear. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making boiled chicken drumsticks, also known as white cut chicken. The white cut chicken is a traditional southern Chinese cuisine. Like stir frying and steaming, boiling is another Chinese cooking technique. Boiling food in plain water preserves the original taste and color of the main ingredient. Therefore, most of the recipes have the word white in the titles. To boost the flavor, however, the dish is typically accompanied by a condiment, in our case, the scallion oil. The recipe I'm sharing with you today is a lazy homemade version that's very easy to follow, and I promise the result is very satisfying too. Without further ado, let's start. Put the drumsticks into the boiled water. Make sure the drumsticks are completely soaked under the water. Boil under medium heat. Until the drumsticks start floating, turn off the heat and soak for about 20 minutes, so the residual heat will finish the cooking of the drumsticks. "20 minutes later, take out the drumsticks and soak them in icy cold water. This step is critical to keep the skin crispy and the meat tight but tender. Cut into small pieces and put into a plate. Next, let's shred the scallion. Somehow, I found the sound of slicing the scallion very soothing. Do you? Comment in the field down below. Then we will mince the ginger and cut the African bird's eye chili pepper into small pieces. In a heated pan, add the cooking oil. Put in the minced ginger and red chili pepper. Stir a few times. Pour the hot oil onto the shredded scallions. Use a spoon to quickly mix a few times. Add sugar, dark rice vinegar, fish sauce, salt, and sesame oil. Last step is to lay our secret sauce on top of the chicken pieces and There we go. Time to enjoy. The meat is so tender and delicious. The dish is so light. The chicken's white and the scallion's green form a harmonic scene that is very tempting. It is more flavorful than most of the store-sold roasted chicken. Try it. I hope you agree with me. Well, hope you enjoyed this episode. Check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.